So, since last week when we were working on it, Matt went to the junkyard and pulled a bunch of relays off another car and threw it in.
The service manual was wrong on the ECU pinouts. So once I figured that out, I was able to use an 04 STI ECU rewired to match the 05, the correct 05 wiring diagram.
So you did have to pull all the connectors apart?
I didn't. I had already modified the ECU to switch the connectors internally.
Cool.
So that's the one that's running it now. And then I flashed an 05 automatic Forester map onto it.
Sweet.
Yeah.
With just your tactics?
Yep.
That's rad.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah, this pink foam. Yeah, it's like a weird browny red color or something.
Looks like you're flushing, I guess.
Dang it.
That sucks.
I'll just drain like a little out.
So Matt took it out for our first test drive, and the transmission was kind of slipping and making some goofy noises. He went and checked the fluid, and it was kind of soupy looking. We were hoping the water would separate out, and we'd just be able to drain it out like with all the other fluids, but that's not the case with RTV. It just absorbs the water.
The clutch pack was welded together too. When I first backed it out of the driveway, the center diff was binding super bad.
Really?
Yeah, so then I took it to a parking lot and did some figure eights, and then it loosened up.
Huh.
I think with the water in those, those metal plates or whatever, they just kind of seized up.
Yeah, worst case, if you need to swap a tranny, it's likely hard to come by.
Yeah, nobody wants 4.
Yeah. And I guess at that point, if you're going to do a 6-speed.
Yeah. Like if I can get it drivable for until I can get a 6-speed. Yeah, now we're going to take it for a drive, warm up the transmission so we can get a good read on the fluid level. I want to make a center diff lock switch. All you have to do is cut power to the solenoid, yeah. So we should go get a little switch and do that too if we're out of stuff to do today.
That would be a blast. Heck, I'll do it on my car.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's sweet. You come rescue us if this doesn't make it back?
Wow, you got some water in there.
Yeah, it kept on spewing out when I drive it down the driveway.
Oh, that looks lovely.
Water coming out of the exhaust?
Yeah.
Pull that turbo out, it'll all come out pretty quick.
I'm stepping back.
Probably overspeeds it pretty bad.
That's okay, it's just TJ4.
Yeah, who cares? Not worth anything. It's like a tiny parking lot. We can go do figure eights and over here to see if get the tranny to work again.
It seems like it's shifting fine.
It does shift okay. I don't know why it's torque binding again.
That's the back end.
It could be that one of the CV joints is missing a boot completely. I wonder if that's just shot.
Yeah, could be.
Now it's not too bad, right?
No.
I don't know. That feels pretty normal. Doesn't have any rolls. Yeah. It's so slow.
What if you stick it in first? So make it.
I don't want to go too hard on the turbo.
It still has nothing. Yeah. You want to just throw the intercooler on and...
Yeah, let's check that fluid and see if it's in the ballpark, and then we can do it.
We're up to temp, so yeah. Oh no! I took the seat out of the back.
Oh, dude, it smells like a swampy butthole in here.
Doesn't it? Sounds good.
It smells like somebody's old hot tub. That's it.
Yeah, no problem.
Like frogs.
Hot tub full of old rank shoes.
Is Leslie's out of the way?
Yeah. Enough fish.
Enough fish, yeah.
Those don't work for some reason.
Because they're flooded.
I don't know.
You just gotta replace more fuses and stuff.
Let's unplug them and plug them back in. Come on, center diff.
Did you already put the switch in?
No.
Sounds like it.
Seat warmer?
Try it, yeah.
See if yours works. No, mine does.
Probably just light me on fire.
Yeah, maybe. Here we go. This thing doesn't pull at all. This is the slowest car I've ever driven.
Put it in first.
All right.
Give it a little brake boost.
Okay. Still running here? Whoa! Oh, you gotta shift it now. Whoops.
Pull a little hard when you put some boost into it.
Yeah. Kinda.
Kinda.
You alright back there? Yeah. Oh, okay.
The window's still working. That's amazing.
Alright. Maybe it's getting some ignition advance multiplier going. There you go. Not bad. I guess.
Get that boost controller out in here.
I know we need to look on the get the laptop plugged in and see how much it's running.
Like, unplug the bypass valve.
Yeah.
It will at least sound cooler.
Yeah, it would sound better.
It'll
Sounds
feel faster.
pretty lame right now. We could just take the intake out. You might be able to hear it.
Dude, yeah, seawater or heat warmer definitely works.
Does it? Cool.
Oh yeah.
But too hot.
No, it's just warm. Perfect. Did it go away?
Seems like it.
Yeah.
Oh, make a bigger radius here.
Like we would have noticed it turning out of it before.
Yeah.
Roll tires trip.
Yeah. Let's get the laptop and go find a parking lot and see if we can make it slide.
There's just a rusty drain spot underneath.
You should see the exhaust pipe.
Yeah.
Man, the XT has red on it. It means it's fast.
Remember what the highest this goes to. Oh, we don't want absolute. We want to know.
Doesn't it show? Doesn't it mark the peak?
Oh yeah, wait.
The highest it goes to.
You don't have to watch right now. Only when we're going fast.
I guess.
Should we test the seatbelts back here?
And they might be full of nasty.
Yeah, mine's got seaweed on it.
Brush the seaweed off.
Actually, no, mine literally does have mold on it. Yuck.
You're used to molding cars, cool.
I do own a moldy car, but I've never sat in it for an extended period of time.
What are you gonna do with that thing?
I don't know how to demold it. I've tried once and it just grew back.
Just go ditch it in Utah for 6 months.
Either that.
Back.
And it's already missing all of the interior. There's no carpet or anything. So,
Take it out the shrubs.
You should just ice race it.
I should ice race it.
I got big tires you can have for it.
I should take off. I don't know. Do you actually?
Yeah.
Like how big?
Those teal ones. They're 27 and a half outside.
Yeah?
So
I wanted to see if I could fit 30s on it.
you could.
Just like chop the fenders.
Yeah. I fit 30s on my Forester.
Yeah. I think that would be bad, but I don't know.
We're gonna put a seatbelt on for this,
Yeah, probably a good idea. I want to do that.
so I don't die.
When I get mold, I'd rather die than get mold on me.
If I do die, my insurance card is in my wallet. Please call it.
If you're dead, do we need to? Do you need insurance then?
Maybe to get my body back to Canada.
Oh.
What the heck?
Oh, I died.
Oh, we're off your
There we go. Now we got no check engine light, but our ignition advance multiplier is probably back at half.
Just tighten in what it should be.
You can't. Oh, we're at 0. We have no timing. Dang it. So that we're gonna like see some pretty big G-forces here. Leslie, you got a hold of that thing?
Yep. Got it.
Got it.
Your tits.
We got any multiplier yet?
No, it hasn't made any movement.
This is not going to work with 4 people in the car.
I probably
Sure will.
We can try.
Great.
Hold on.
Matt doesn't know what to do with all
I don't
the
know.
clutch.
Where's the clutch?
It's close. You need that center
go.
diff switch.
It smells like rubber.
It does not work as good that way.
It does not. Dang it! What's our peak manifold pressure there?
Less than 5, just under 5.
What? What? What kind of nonsense is that?
That is a Forester. No, I think they might actually be at 6.
Really?
Just nothing.
Wow.
That's no
Boost controller.
good.
Yeah, get that thing.
Yeah, let's get the halt or the trim speed thing out.
12.
14.
Hi. It's really enjoyable.
I bet that looked really silly. Just like a car, like body rolled over,
Yeah.
not doing anything, making a lot of noise.
Hey, you ate up the tires a little bit.
You get cupped a little.
Very, very
Oh, I
smart.
forgot to air those up.
Oh, that would help.
We got no boost, 4 people, no timing, and tires are.
And low tires. Extra grip.
Yeah, we had no hope of sliding there. Let's go eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm hungry. You
All right.
guys
Yep. This is.
hungry? El Pajaban Mexican Grill. Let's go there. You went there with me back there.
It?
Yeah. Tequila El Ranchito.
And for now,
Sounds delicious.
there you go. That's all there is to fixing a flood car. So one of the things that is different for every single car is how high the water actually went up and how flooded the car was. And based on that, you're going to have different issues. At a minimum though, you're going to want to change or flush all the fluids and probably look at replacing the computer modules and of course the interior. So Matt does have more plans to keep fixing up the soggy fozzy, and yeah, make sure you subscribe so you can see what we do and comment below what you think we should do or if we missed anything. Just heads up for another couple episodes that'll be up in the next couple of weeks. We have part 2 to Brainerd Power Cruise, which is where we took the Mustang drifting. We're gonna have a build breakdown on the Mustang. I got some other cool stuff that I've been doing to my 3rd gen Legacy. There'll be more on the soggy fozzy, other just random stuff, and also be sure to stay tuned because we got a new project for 2018. Here's a little sneak peek. I will be doing some major renovations, I guess you would say, to my 3rd gen Outback. So hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for that. It'll be a fun one. As always, thanks for watching. Happy New Year. Thanks for your support. Bye.
Motion.